Welcome to R-CAT, where we master advanced robotics. Our center features state-of-the-art automation hardware. Students get hands-on experience here. Come and join our program today.
At the Rajiv Gandhi Center, Jaipur, precision kinematics, trace the sphere. Multi-axis grace in a pick-and-place dance, crafting the architecture of a mechanized future. Zero-arrow automation takes its form. This is the digital pulse of R-CAT, where logic builds the new blueprint. From silicon wafers to physical prototypes, Rajasthan scripts the code of tomorrow, igniting the sparks of technical ambition. Rajasthan scripts the code of tomorrow. Rajasthan scripts the code.